One day I thought I could go on a hike in the national park Bayerischer Wald. So I took my camera gear and went with 10 kilos in my backpack on a hike. So, hello and welcome from National Park Bayerischer Wald. I'm here just hiking around. I got my 100mm macro with me and I want to do some wildlife photography. And just look at this landscape. They're just rocks and just dead wood, which is really important, and just old trees, and oh, that is just beautiful. And yeah, let's see if I can find some wildlife. I'm completely alone here, and I'm sweating because I got 10 kilos in my backpack because I got nice lenses, and yeah, I'm just really happy to be here. And yeah, let's see what we can find here, what animals and what plants.